Hi everyone, in this video I'll do a walkthrough of how to install Git on Windows. First step is to download Git from the Git official website. So when you come to the Git official website at git-scn.com/download/win, we automatically download the Git for Windows installer. Alright, back to our guide. Take note that our guide is phoenixsnap.com. So you can take note of this URL and put it type it in on your browser to follow the step and install Git on Windows. So we've done step 1 and 2. Next is to extract and launch the Git installer. So go to your downloads folder and double click on your Git downloaded file to launch the Git installer. The next step, you will be prompted to allow this device make changes to Windows. To allow this app make changes to your device, you choose yes. After that, you will be asked to go through the GNU public license of Git, and then when you're through going through this public license, you click next. And in this next step, you'll be asked to choose the destination location. Where should Git be installed? So you choose this location. If you're not comfortable with C program file/git, you can use the browse button here to decide to choose a location and click next. In the next window that pops up, you will be asked to choose components that should be installed. You can leave the default components. Take note that Git comes with Git Bash and Git GUI automatically. Alright, we click next and move on. Here we will be asked if the setup should be placed on our start menu as shortcuts. So you simply click next because that will be very valuable for us. Next, we choose a default editor. You can select a different editor if you want. Simply click on this drop down and you'll see different code editors that you can use, and you click next. The next step is to adjust your environment path. It is recommended to go with the second option here, Git from the command line and also from third-party software. It will automatically add Git path to your environment, and you can use run Git from command prompt, Git bash and Windows PowerShell. So click next. This next step is to choose emulators and certificates. Just leave the default option and click next. And the next step also will leave the default options and click next. Here it will emulate the Linux terminal. So we click on the Minty emulator and go with next. And you can do additional customization. Just leave the default and go with next. If you feel you're adventurous and you want to try some experimental built-in options, you can check this, but I think we are good to go. So click install, and once the Git setup wizard has successfully installed Git on your Windows operating system, you can see this window and click finish. When you click finish, you can go to your Windows Start and search for Git Bash, and you can launch it from the Start menu. You can also search for Git GUI, and you can also launch it from the Start menu. So guys, with that we have come to the end of this video, and I hope that by now you should know how to install Git on Windows. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye for now.